your drink, and the snacks you love all in one hand. Perfect in the car or chilling on the couch. Snacky.
The National Weather Service in Norton, Massachusetts, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Cullen County in northern Connecticut, central Cullen County in northern Connecticut, west southern Windham County in eastern Connecticut, until 9:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds up to 50 to 60 miles per hour, which could be life-threatening to those without shelter. Stay away from Please go outside for the severe thunderstorm. Severe thunderstorms are amazing. Severe thunderstorms are awesome. Go outside for the severe thunderstorm, and go in the center of the field. Open your arms, and be prepared to be struck by light.
We get why people appreciate that.